Sarah's painting adventure. Sarah is 28 years old and lives in Madrid. She works in a bookstore. But her dream is to be an artist. She wants to learn painting. One day, she finds a painting course online. She is excited, but also a little nervous. The first class is on Saturday morning. Sarah arrives early. The studio is full of colorful paints and canvases. In the room, there are people of different ages, young people, adults, and an old woman. The teacher's name is Emma. Emma is very kind and smiles a lot. In the class, they learn to hold the brush and mix basic colors. Emma uses games and simple drawings. Sarah doesn't understand everything, but she loves learning this way. She feels happy. Every day, Sarah practices painting at home. She watches art videos on the internet. She writes new words in a notebook. Her friend helps her when she has questions. At the end of the course, they have a small exhibition. Everyone shows their best painting. Sarah is a little nervous, but she shows her painting of a beautiful flower. Everyone claps for her. Sarah understands that art is more than just colors. She has made new friends and is more confident now. She has started to live her dream. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next one.